got a brown box full of Christmas stuff. Stuff you want to decorate your house with to make it all Christmassy-like. And this is what we got. There are clips. There's these things where you screw the lights into them. And then you got the lights. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. Santa Claus is gonna know where to come when you got these things up on and around your house and everywhere. I'm just gonna screw these bulbs in here one at a time, just one on each color. I've got all the bulbs installed, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 bulbs. Woo-wee. Oh yeah, so bright, colorful, and all the things. I'm excited to go try these out, so I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna set these up, and I'll meet you out there. I got a few up already. These clips are easy to install. The flap goes behind the gutter, and then this piece just connects onto the lights like so. Put it behind. That hook grabs onto that ledge, gives it a nice straight row. Okay, it's nighttime, it's snowing. Perfect for the end of this review. What do you think, Kaylee? You like it?
I like it.
You like it?
Cool.
Pretty awesome, huh?
Lights and wild.
Those are bright, aren't they?
Yeah, they're
Nice and bright, illuminates all the snow, which is fantastic. You guys ready for Ho Ho Santa Claus?
yeah.
Good answer.